Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and tap on more security and privacy settings. Then let's scroll down again to enter encryption credentials, and finally here, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for. So let's simply tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is currently inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.